Walking into a studio apartment here at Miramont Apartments. As you come in, washer and dryer right there for you. Coat, shoe closet as well as you come in. Bathroom here to your right. And you have your good sized walk-in closet for your studio with organizers. Shelving space. This way, got the open area of the studio. Nice natural sunlight hits inside. Good space here. Got the open kitchen setting also. Pantry space there as you see. Front door. And full-size kitchen for a studio. Full-size appliances, dishwasher, updated cabinets, countertops. Good feel as well. And then more pantry space here. And that just about does it for the studio. You have great space in 530 square feet.